Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. We're going to go over how to set your bearings correctly so they're in line and straight. There's a lot of people that do not know how to properly install pillow block bearings. These are also self-aligning ones, so we'll go over a couple of those things here. All you'll need for this install is a 3/16 Allen wrench. Let's get to it. So on the pillow block bearings, they are wonderful and they're used in many different obstacles. One, because they already have these great mounting points to make it easy to install for obstacles. The self-aligning bearings also makes it great. These bearings can actually shift, so if the pipe is crooked, it still allows both bearings to line straight and even. So if you ever receive these in the mail and the bearings may seem like off-center, it's not because it's broken, it's just because it's been misaligned. But once you put a pipe through both ends of the bearing, it will level everything back out, so don't worry. When setting up and installing this obstacle, you're going to look at the collar right here. They have 2 set screws. So what I want you guys to do is we want to make sure this is installed evenly. So we're going to set these set screws. So imagine this is 12 o'clock, we're going to set it to 10 and 2 o'clock. You're going to do this for both bearings. And now we're just going to take our wrench and we're going to tighten it until we feel a little bit of resistance and contact. And do this for both sides. And so once I got all done there, now I'm just going to start keeping everything at a quarter turn, and I'm going to keep a visual look and measure it visually and see that this gap between the pipe is staying the same between these 2 points. And you're gonna keep on repeating this until it starts getting nice and tight. So I'm starting to feel it get pretty tight in here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna crank down on that. What that's gonna do is it's gonna take that set screw, it's gonna dig it into that pipe. Now I'm gonna repeat it over here. Again, I'm gonna try to make sure this set screw lines up with the one over here, and likewise with the one over here lines up over here. The reason being is we want this pipe to be centered between both bearings. If you don't tighten down the set screws the same on both sides, it's actually going to shift that pipe, or the pipe won't be running through the center of your obstacle. And I haven't tightened down these clamps all the way, but let me do that real quick. There we go. So now it's installed. You can see those set screws are screwed down. This bearing is not going to shift. It's going to operate as intended, give you nice, smooth operation. If you take a quick look down here, you can sort of see exactly that gap that I'm telling you about. So at the bottom should be flat, and you'll have that small gap up on top, and likewise it will be the same on the other side. So that completes the tutorial on how to install your pillow block bearing. If you do this, you do not have any need for any other type of shaft collars or things to connect this. As long as the bearings you have the set screws in them, that is all you need, and a 3/16 wrench. Hope this was helpful to your guys' install, and look forward to seeing what amazing things you can do on the Obstacle Design Group's innovative line of obstacles.